Hello, my dear student. Algebra lecture number 70, chapter number 2, quadratic equation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set 2.6. Okay, question number 6. Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain number of pots on daily basis. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than 10 times total number of pots he makes in one day. If production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600, find the production cost of one pot and number of pots he makes per day. Okay. Now read this question properly. Here two conditions are given. Production cost of each pot is rupees 10 more than 10 times total number of pots he makes in one day. And second condition, if production cost of all pots per day is rupees 600, then find the cost of one pot and number of pots he makes per day. Okay. Now try to understand solution because these examples are very important. Okay. Now assume let number of pots he makes per day be x. Then by given condition production cost of each pot is rupees 40 more than 10 times total number of pots he makes in one day. So therefore production cost of each pot is rupees 10x plus 40. Okay. Suppose this is what your equation number 1. Then find production, therefore production cost of all pots per day, it is also given, is equal to number of pots into production cost, and therefore the production cost of all pots per day is given 600 is equal to number of pots x into what cost of pot, so 10x plus 40. Now this equation you simplify. So therefore this into this 10x square plus 40x, this you bring on this side, minus 600 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. Solve this quadratic equation so that you will have the value of x. And therefore x square plus 4x minus 60 is equal to 0. Here I divide by 10. And therefore now this 60 you split up such that their subtraction is equal to 4, 10, 6 and plus sign minus sign, and therefore x plus 10 into bracket x minus 6 is equal to 0. These are what factor. Here you directly write down factors, and therefore x plus 10 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 6. But x is equal to minus 10 is not possible as number of pots makes per day is never negative. And therefore x is equal to 6, and therefore number of pots per day is equal to 6, and the cost of a pot is equal to 10x plus 40. So 10 into 6, 60 plus 40 is equal to 100. Okay. Then I explain you one more example from this set. Example number 7. Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 kilometers downstream and return to the same spot. The speed of boat in still water is 12 km per hour. Find the speed of water current. Okay. Now these type of examples are important because here you have to use formula for what physics. Okay. Solution. Let the speed of water current be x km per hour, and therefore downstream speed is equal to 12 plus x km per hour, and upstream speed is equal to 12 minus x km per hour. Now you know distance is equal to time into speed, and therefore time is equal to, here I find time because time is given, time is equal to distance upon speed. Then by given condition 36 upon 12 plus x plus 36 upon 12 minus x is equal to 8. Now here you divide by 36. So dividing by 36, 1 upon 12 plus x plus 1 upon 12 minus x is equal to 8 upon 36. This you simplify. Divide by what? 4. So 2 upon 9. And then what? Simplify this. So therefore, now here equalize the denominator. My denominator is 12 plus x into 12 minus x. So this is equal to 144 minus x square, and then simply you cross multiply this into this and this into this. So 12 minus x plus 12 plus x upon 144 minus x square is equal to 2 upon 9. So in this case this x and this x get cancelled. 12 plus 12 is equal to 24, and then cross multiply. Therefore 24 into 9 is equal to, and this you take here in the denominator, is equal to 144 minus x square, and this you simplify. So this is equal to 108 is equal to 144 minus x square, and now make quadratic equation. X square is equal to 144 minus 108 is equal to 36, and therefore x is equal to plus minus 6, and hence the speed of water current is equal to 6 km per hour. Okay. Now try to understand these examples. Examples are very important. Go through this video again and again so that you understand. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question, put in comment box. Thank you.